Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for January 16th. We're looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair closed up on Friday, even though it did pull down a significant amount before moving higher and closing higher. This pair did gap at the open about 18 pips. We are looking for it to retrace prior to Friday's close. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 83.41, possibly as low as 81.99. Look for some resistance around 83.15 and look for some support around 82.25. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair moved higher, broke previous resistance, did close down or close lower, did close up, however, looking for it to move sideways in this area, basically at the top. We could get a reversal at this point, especially with the price action on Friday. Look for this pair to possibly go as high as 134.75 and hit resistance there, possibly moving down to 133.15 and hit support at that level. Now the pound US dollar pair continues to move to the upside. Look for it to do that, possibly going as high as 159.98. Possibly as low on a reversal to 156.43. Look for some resistance around 158.82 and look for some support around 157.15. Now the U.S. Swiss closed up. It did have a rather strong move to the upside, then pulled back and moved lower and then higher. This pair overall is moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9819, possibly as low as 0.9505. Look for some resistance around 0.9705 and possibly hitting support around 0.9601. Now, we don't have any significant news announcements being released tomorrow, so let's go ahead and jump into what I'm looking at. If you go to the Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame, you will see that we have had over the past week or so a strong move to the upside. Looking for a potential reversal on that, I'm going to use our Fibonacci retracement levels and our Fibonacci fan to determine exactly where we should get in and get out. So put your Fibonacci retracement first, and then we're going to use our Fibonacci fan. Both of these are in MetaTrader 4 already. You don't have to have any special tools for this necessarily. Looking for a break to the downside, a break right here, anywhere actually along this area, as long as it happens over the next few hours. These are 4-hour bars, so actually it could be over the next 4 hours, could be as much as 24-hour period that we're looking for a break here. Basically a break of this line or this line coming down to the bottom line or this line. So let's take a look at potentially if the market were to dive down right now. We'd look to get in right here at 1.3289 and then exit about 55 pips to the downside around the 1.3233 mark. So this is a way of grabbing this box here, grabbing pips, knowing exactly where to enter and exactly where to get out. In this particular case, you'd want to go ahead and sell, exit right here, and put your stop loss right above the 23.6 retracement level. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.